Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ActiveCampaign account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you install Google Analytics into your ActiveCampaign landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to install Google Analytics into your ActiveCampaign landing page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track your users, and Google Analytics is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ActiveCampaign account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ActiveCampaign account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to install Google Analytics, you need to jump over to the landing page. So first you want to go ahead and click on this button here, website, on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu right here, and you want to click on pages. Okay, so here are all of the pages that I put together as landing pages in my ActiveCampaign. Now, in order to add your Google Analytics, what you're going to do is here on the right, there's a little drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click on there. And next, you want to click on View Page Settings. Okay, before you go any further, I want to let you know that adding your Google Analytics is not an option until you've already published the page. If you're designing your landing page right now, you're not going to have this option. So you'll need to save your work and then go back in the way that I showed you. So once you're here in the section, in order to add your Google Analytics, go ahead and click on Custom Code right here on the 3-button menu. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and paste in your Google Analytics code. So you're just going to paste it right here in the header. You can put it in the body as well, but it is recommended that you put it in the header. That way, if the page doesn't load, you're still able to track the user. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add your Google Analytics code into your ActiveCampaign landing page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.